Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we have this platform called Smartli, and this is the best high converting AI product descriptions generator. Before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses on Smartly. Make sure to give it a try to that. Now jumping straight onto the platform. So basically, if you are willing to write different type of description for a lot of products, managing your e-commerce business depends on a good title, description, and all of that type of description. You are going to be identifying different type of product types, product category, and vendors, and much more. So the main thing is writing your description. Now let's say you are uploading 100 products onto your e-commerce platform. So writing a well detailed and explanatory description is a really big hassle, since I myself also run a e-commerce platform. Now Smartly provides you the best integration and tool for making those descriptions ready to go. So you can see you can generate high converting product descriptions in seconds. So you have this integration now added onto your description section, whatever platform you are selling your products on. You can simply click and it will be generating your descriptions. You can supercharge your social media with AI ads writer, instantly creating high quality content. Also, you can make it really catchy and you can say enticing, so the readers are going to be really getting impressed. You can see a lot of people are being using it for a lot of purposes. An amazing tool indeed. You can see bloggers, e-commerce businesses, and much more. So whether you are, let's say, a Shopify seller or any of these platforms that are currently up nowadays, you can utilize it and you can add your descriptions amazingly. Make sure to give it a try to Smartly, and you can see the reviews about it. So basically this is the interface that you can try out. But since we need to get started with a plan, so currently you can see we have different type of plans. $29 for the smarter, $49 for, and each of these are going to be providing you different type of perks. So you can see in the background we have our different type of AI products editor, AI ads writer, and all of that sections available. Now talking about its reviews, it has some really amazing reviews on Shopify itself. So you can see so far so good, and all of these are 5 stars. So yeah, make sure to give it a try to Smartly using the link in the description below, using which you can get extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.